everyone.
How do you control your anger?
I control my anger by stay silent for a while and stepping away from that situation and recite some duas. This help me calm down and think clearly before reacting to the situation.
Your good habit.
My good habit. I have a lot of patience and I never complain and I never feel jealousy to anyone. Whenever I faced any difficulty, I share to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because I know He listens me very deeply.
You like the company of?
I like the company of people who are positive, kind in nature, and understanding.
Your bad habit.
My bad habit is I get really scared of public speaking, and whenever I have to talk in front of public, my feet and my hands are becoming cold, and I feel very nervous.
Your trauma.
My trauma is related to certain tough experiences that I deeply experienced me. Sorry, that deeply affected me. Although I don't talk about them much because they have lasting impact on my life. I try to move forward with a positive mindset.
The happiest year of your life.
I experienced many happy phases in my life, and the happiest day of my life was when I passed my class 10th examination passed my class 10th without giving an examination. That moment was very happiest day of my life. I dislike the company of two-faced people because when they are with me, they act like they are close with me and they care a lot about me. But when they go elsewhere, they gossip, they speak badly about behind my back. Fear Allah the most. His presence remind me to always stay on right path, and I fear Allah the most.
The important thing in your life.
Three important thing in my life. The first is money, because if you have money, you have everything like comfort and luxury and even respect. If you nowadays people will judge you and give value or respect you because of your financial status. And the second is health. Health is we all know that health is wealth. If we have a good health, we can achieve our goals and we can go everywhere. So health is important. And the third is self-respect. Self-respect is more important than anything because if you get ignored once, don't take the hint and never bother that person again, because self-respect is everything. You don't lower your standard for.
If you are invisible for half an hour?
If I become invisible, I would go to places where people have accumulated money or things unfairly. So I take that money or things away and distributed that person who genuinely need it.
Have you ever been famous?
I think I'm not ever been famous. And when I was the class monitor in my school, I think that time I was little bit famous.
Your parents desire.
My parents desired for me is my parents desire for me to become a good person who firmly follows the path of Deen, and what they ensure me that whatever I do in my life is under Allah's guidance.
Your childhood desire.
My childhood desire was that I always wished I wanted to become a pilot.
Say something about
ICL is a platform where we learn English from a very basic level. Best part is that we enjoy the learning process. Our teacher Safi sir is incredible, and he puts lots of effort to teach us and ensure that we understand everything truly. Nowadays, when we go other places, they often suggest that you have to watch videos on tenses from YouTube. But at ICL, sir taught us everything from the ground up, and we learned so many word meaning and many new things here. I sincerely want to thank Safi sir for his dedication for his dedication and effort to teaching us.